Hello everybody, welcome. Now, before I start, notice anything different about me? Apart from having my hair cut, obviously. Now let me tell you, I just cut my hair because I always cut my own hair anyway. And before I cut my hair, I always shave my eyebrows, trim my eyebrows up. When I was trimming my eyebrows up, I usually put the connector on, but I forgot to put it on, so I've got no eyebrows, look. Could have stayed to me. Nat says I look okay, but I know she's laughing behind my back. I don't know. And the problem is, I've got to take the lad to the army Sunday with no eyebrows. I'm absolutely daft. Well, never mind, eh? Never mind. And anyway, today I was sent a recipe about a week ago, I think. But I only just seen it this morning. I thought, oh, I'm going to do that. It was off Jackie and Beryl, so Jackie and Beryl, thank you for this. It was on, what was it on? This morning, ITV this morning, but obviously not this morning. Obviously it was a few weeks ago. It's that. Now apparently, it's virtually like a one-pot thing. And I've had a look and it looks quite simple. So, let's have a crack. So let me show you what I've got. Right, I've got myself some diced chicken. How much is in there? Label's coming off. Where is it? 600. Camera's doing blurs. I've got 100 ml of oil. 3 tablespoons of garam masala. 1 tablespoon of paprika. 2 tablespoons of tomato puree, 2 teaspoons of salt, 5 garlic cloves mashed up, 3 onions, and I want 2 tablespoons of corn flour. Now, as I say, this basically is a dump and go. So what you do is you get your bowl. They use the ceramic bowl, ceramic casserole dish. Now I did have one, but I cracked all the bottom, so I threw it away and I've never replaced it. So, I'm just going to use this. So basically, you put your 100 ml of oil in, and she does say, yeah, it's a lot of oil, but 100 ml of oil. Grab your chicken. Just get your chicken in. I've never seen one done like this before, just basically plonked in. Wash my hands because I've had my chicken. Get your onions in. Get all your seasoning in. Get it all in. And you want 2 tablespoons of corn flour. One and half a table over the side. 2. Just get that little mix just to mix it together a little bit. Now that's got to go in the oven for 30 minutes at 170 degrees. I've already got the oven warming up anyway. So it's going straight in the oven now. 30 minutes, 170. And while that's doing, I'm going to do the rice. Right then, I've got a saucepan. I've got 250 grams of basmati rice. I've got 750 ml of water. That's going in. Cinnamon stick. And a bit of saffron. I've never ever used saffron before in my life, ever. I bought this, an expensive £3.30 I think this was. So I've never used it, so I don't really know how to use it. She just threw a bunch in, she did, so that's what I'm going to do. Let me just cut that open. But yeah, it's well expensive. She She says just throw a bunch in. So how much is a bunch? If you don't get much, they're going to be using all this. Maybe like that, I don't know. Good enough. And what you want to do, you want to bring it to the boil, and then you only want to cook it for 5 minutes. You only want to parboil it, and then it's got to go in the pot after. So I'm just going to parboil that for a minute. Right, that's been 5 minutes. I weren't watching at the start and it boiled over. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sieve it out and run it under cold water. There it is. So I'm just going to wait for the other stuff to do. It's got about another 10 minutes to go. And we're going to stick that in the other stuff then. Right, that's been in for 35 minutes. I know it's supposed to be 30, which is 35. It's looking similar to what it was on the telly. Now I've got to turn the oven off. Apparently. I've got to get the rice. Just got to pile it in. The rice. Spread it out. Cinnamon sticks and all. I've never had this chicken biryani before, ever in my life. Alright, and what you want to do, you want to cover it with foil. Well, you've all probably had it before, but I've never had it. I've never seen it. Seen this anyway. Cover it with foil with the oven off, and back in the oven for 20 minutes so it like steams. You get what I mean? Right, I've got it out. I want to check the chicken's done. I mean, it looks nice and it smells nice, look. I don't know whether the chicken's cooked or anything. And she says give it a good stir. But I'd like to check the chicken first. Oh yeah, chicken's done. So now she says give it all a good mix. Probably a big lump. Let me try that big lump of chicken there, look. So I want to double check. So I've never cooked it before. Yeah, that's fine. Now just mix it all together and we're done. Make sure you give it a good stir, she says. I just saw some pink bits there. Check that. No, it's not quite done. I'm going to get another 5 minutes. Yeah, I'm going to get another 5 minutes just to be safe. Doesn't quite look ready. But it smells gorgeous. Right, back in the oven. Right, it's been in another 10 minutes. I'm going to get it out now. Should be done. But it hasn't took me, what did you say, 13, 20. It's took a lot longer than that. There we go. Should be done now. But it does smell absolutely delicious. Absolutely. Big bit of chicken there, let me test. Yeah, perfect, look. You see that? Perfect. Right then, let's dish some up. Right, I've just dished down that some up. She's getting up the table.
Smells nice.
Smells really nice.
It smells lovely. No, I'm not even that. It's cold.
There we go. And I've also done, I've got no naans, kind of a flatbread. Chicken Bahrain, is that how you say it, is it? Some spring onion on top, you want a bit of spring onion, Bab?
Yes, please. No.
There we go. So then, what do you think? My first time ever doing that. And there's absolutely loads. I must have played full there. I don't know if I can pick that up, it's more too hot. Still full, look. Full to the brim. Right, so I'm going to taste test mine now. So, what do you think? Do you think that looks right? I don't know. It's all in the taste, isn't it? So I haven't even tried it, that's it, you know, she's coughing hers like a good one. Is it nice? It's going like that, mouthful. Bit more. Couldn't get full taste then. Oh, that is nice, isn't it? Oh yeah. Oh, that is nice. Ooh. Oh, I could eat loads of that. That's really nice, isn't it? That is really nice. I'm going to eat all them on a little table in a minute and eat it. Oh yeah, try that. I'll leave a thing with what you do and that on the side or down there or whatever, wherever it is. But yeah, that's superb. So she says do it for 30 minutes and then 20 minutes with the rice on top. Mine weren't quite cooked then. Maybe it's because I didn't have a ceramic bowl, maybe, I don't know. So mine just went in for about another 10-15 minutes. I did put it on a low heat, I put it on 50 degrees just to keep the oven warm when it went in for 10 minutes, and it done the trick. So there you go. But yeah, definitely try it. As I say, I am the old food guy, I'm going to go and eat it now. Till the next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.